Welcome to our civic conference. We will now have our attendance. Engineer Caroline Ortesito, our Bauchi. Our regular member, Engineer Cornelia Dami. Our provisional member for organized Engineer Anna May. Our PWG from the planning section item Engineer Ayla May interview Engineer Martin Amina from our contractors. We have Kevin H. Vero Saga representing Cincinnati Civil You may proceed.
Thank you, Engineer Marquez. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Civic Conference of the Fiscal Projects. Construction of multi-purpose building barangay San Marquez, City. ID 2438 to 027. The approved budget for the contract of 4,950,000. Contract duration is 115 calendar years. The second project is the basic infrastructure program, public water supply system construction of potable water system, Barangay La Paz, in the city. Contract ID 24-A0039. Approved budget for the contract is 4,950,000 and the contract duration is 160 calendar days. So, I'd like to remind the readers the documents that need to be submitted. So, eligibility documents. May question yun last time na bakit daw basahin ko pa. I-remind ko ito, pero gagamitin talaga nila ito during the eligibility nila sa eligibility documents, Class A, registration certificate from Securities and Exchange Commission, Department of Trade and Industry for sole proprietorship, Mayor's business permit issued by the city or municipality where the principal place of business of the prospective bidders is located, tax clearance for Executive Order Number 398, Series of 2005, as finally reviewed and approved by the DIR. Statement of ongoing completed government and private contracts for design and construction, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any. Valid pickup license and registration, valid PRC licenses for the contractors and professionals, audited financial statements showing, among others, respective total current assets and liabilities stamp received by the DIR or its duly accredited and authorized institution for the preceding calendar year, which should not be earlier than 2 years from the date of the bid submission. The bidder computation for its net financial contracting capacity, NFCC. So for the technical proposal, dito na yan, submit. Bid security in the required form, amount and validity period. List of contractors present will be assigned to the contract bid with their complete qualification and experience data. List of contractors' major equipment units with their own list and under purchase agreements, supported by certification of availability of equipment from the equipment lessor vendor for the duration of the project. These equipment units must meet the minimum equipment requirements So, sino mag-present? Si Ira. Present the details, Ira. Present the details of the project. Contract ID to structure of multi-purpose building, Barangay Santa Maria. Before days,
multi-purpose building, covered court, health center. Sa side po ang luto basic pipe. Meron din tayong UPVC riser pipe. Sa nakaloob sa water pumps. Tapos, meron po tayong water tank, integrated water tank. Bali, apat po na tangke po ito meron. Meron po tank for raw water. Meron po for domestic water. Saka yung sa water water. Apat po.
Anong materials?
Ano siya?
Yung stainless.
HDP is high density plastic. 2,000 liters po isa.
So, apat.
Apat.
So, kapag ba yung rate ko sa mga kaya yung mga water treatment station ko sa dila set up na sina ang talagang nila.
Oo, meron.
Nakapunta dito ba yan? Hindi mo malakita.
Naka-indicate naman sa plan sir yung set up.
Meron yung ano, so yung pagka-timolo de Ondo, kasi
60 liters po. Ang
if ever na assist, if ever na iba kasi ang sana, aga.
meron po tayo nakalagay dito sa program, yung accessibility test. Opo, so pwede po tayo mag-testing prior to billing.
So, kasi ito mo na
Yun talaga ang exercise natin, yung mga activity before.
for anything else.
Oo, meron yan.
May PI din siya.
Oo, important yan siya. Yung mga horsepower na naka-indicated ba yan?
Ang tawag sa second one, yung submersible pang horsepower. 3 horsepower. 3 fixated. Tapos kasi, kuhaan na kailangan hindi. Kaya check naman nila para corporate na nasa-servo ng grid or pure solar na
Hindi siya solar, directly siya sa electrical. Wala po din po siya solar power.
yes. Pero, as a system, makalisin na solar ba sa hindi?
Pero indicated man yan doon sa plano.
Yes.
So, dapat
Kaya yung garden water, then, so yung pipe AC,
Eight po yung casing.
ano yung materials ng AC?
PI 5. Schedule 8.
GI? RTI?
wala, ayun.
Sir, ng kalawang?
Sa loob, meron pang UPVC right Hindi. Meron pang 6 inches casing UPVC with that straight.
So, akin din ay hasta para na if ever as a don't take it kasi siya ni water table so sa laki. So, akin din ay touch kami nila na water table si akin din ay
Oo, indicated yan sa plano. So may additional report pa tayo ha? Matters, yung dapat, hindi na rin, kami ba kanina? Dapat yung dogs natin, may cabin, pagination, para easier ang evaluation ng mga back. Mga cabin. Ang mga certified ito copy, all machine copies na certified, that may sign. Pero aside from that side sa true copy, yung every pages ng document,
Ilang copy ba yan, ma'am? Copy 1, copy 2?
3 copies.
Hindi na or with the original?
The original plus the 2 copies.
Okay.
Signature of every page. Yun na. Ang cash flow by quarter used for DPWS plus INFR plus EP. So, okay na yan.
Yes.
We will expect na may pagdadala. Biyasa ko,